Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Haejun from Hanchi. Today I'm going to be reviewing Clausal connective, also aso. Last time I reviewed unde nunde, which has a similar function to also aso, but it's slightly different. So towards the end of my video, I am going to explain to you about the difference between unde nunde and also aso. Now the structure you add also aso to your sentence is identical to unde nunde. You have your first clause and your second clause. You add also aso after your first clause. So what are the functions of also aso? There are two functions. The first function is cause and effect, which means it is used as a because. And the second function is more of like a fixed phrase in Korean, where it's used as a for. We'll get more in depth when we go into examples, but first, let's review the conjugations. Clausal connective also has a same conjugation form of 어요, 아요, the formal ending. Just to give you a basic idea, let's go over 4 different examples. With 좋다, to be good, what is the 어요, 아요 form of 좋다? Just simply drop 다 and add 어요, 아요, based on the dark or bright vowel that you have with 좋다. In this case, you have a bright vowel, so you add 아요, 좋아요. Now with also 아서, same thing, but instead of adding 요, you're adding 서, 좋아서. Are there irregular conjugations? Unfortunately, yes. Let's look at 아프다, to be sick. You have to watch out for 아. That means this will need to apply by the irregular rule, which is you drop add 아. So in this case, 아프다 in 어요 아요 form is 아파요, 아파요. So with also 아서, 아파서. Then how about with an example, 빠르다, to be fast. It is a irregular word. Since you see 아, you need to drop and add dir to the word prior to 르. Then 빠르다 becomes 빨라요. And with also 아서, 빨라서. Then how about with 춥다, to be cold? It's a 비읍 irregular, right? Whenever you see vowel afterwards, you need to drop 비읍 and add 우. So with 아, they're vowels, therefore you drop 비읍 and add 우. And you attach 어요, 추워요. And with also 아서, 추워서. So for also aso, just follow 어요, 아요 conjugations, but just remember to watch out for those irregulars. Now another thing you need to make sure is also aso cannot have tense. It is a tenseless grammar, so unlike unde nunde where you could have past tense, no, you cannot have any tense with also aso. Now let's get to examples. With the first function, because, let's try to use an example sentence. 목이 아파서 약을 먹었어요. You notice that in this sentence you have a past tense, but it only exists in your second clause. So 목이 아파서, again, 아프다 is a irregular, so you conjugate that to 아파서, 아파서. 약, medicine, 먹었어요. I took medicine. So the reason why you took the medicine is because you had a sore throat. So for the second function used as for, even in English, when you say thank you for doing something, it's kind of used as a fixed phrase, thank you for. So it's used as that for. And in Korean, it's the same thing. Thank you for helping me. If you translate that into Korean, it becomes 도와주셔서 감사합니다. 도와주다 means to help. And I did add 시, which is an honorific 시 added with 셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for helping me. And also you can say I'm so sorry for being late. 늦어서 죄송합니다. 늦다, to be late. Add also 아서 늦어서 죄송합니다. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being late. Now, I said that unde nunde has a function of because, giving a reason. But also has a function, because. So what is the difference? So it's like this. In English, there's a difference between because and since, right? Since has more of a nuance where you're giving a reason to the listener that he or she already knows. So it's considered as non-important, not as essential. But with because, you're giving an emphasis to the sentence where I'm doing this because of this certain reason. You're giving that reason, and that reason is the highlight of the sentence, which also means that you're giving some kind of a new information to the listener. So when you were asked a question, why do you learn Korean? 왜 한국어를 배우세요? Then in your answer, in giving a reason, you would use also instead of 은데. Does that make sense? 한국어가 재미있어서 한국어를 배워요. The reason to why you learn Korean is more important than the fact that you learn Korean. So when you're giving a reason to a certain cause, you use also instead of 은데. So also could be used in between clauses, but it could also finish a sentence by using also when you're only giving a reason. So when you are asked the same question, why do you learn Korean language? You can just simply say 한국어가 재미있어서요. You can finish the sentence by adding 요 to also instead of giving the entire context. Today I went over also with you guys, which is similar to 은데. So if you guys have any further questions, please leave them below. If you thought this video was helpful, please press like and the subscribe button. Thanks for coming back, and I'll see you guys next time. 안녕.